This iPhone 10 has been damaged badly. Obviously, the back housing has bent and the screen is cracked. After removing screen, we can say it was repaired before. Let's replace a new screen and power on. Touch function doesn't work normally. Take out motherboard. Middle layer nearby the SIM connector has slightly split caused by pressure. Use DC power supply to power on the motherboard and measure startup electric current. The current works normally. Measure ground resistance of digitizer connector with multimeter. We find multiple pins has been disconnected. So we suppose that middle layer nearby the SIM connector has been broken in a large area. What if the lower radio frequency board cannot be repaired? We choose to replace the whole radio frequency board. Turn on Sunshine T12A CPU desoldering heating station. Adjust to 180 degrees and then separate motherboard. After heating, remove upper board and lower radio frequency board. Then we need to take an intact lower radio frequency board and transplant the important components of genuine board on it. Generally speaking, the important components on motherboard include baseband IC, baseband April IC, and Wi-Fi module. Because we can read and write its data with program later, so we only need to transplant the baseband IC. First, remove genuine radio frequency board thermal paste. Mark genuine baseband IC. Clean the glue around IC chip with 330 degrees hot air gun. Then remove baseband IC with 370 degrees. Apply some soldering flux and scrape paste off with electric soldering iron. Clean the baseband IC with PCB cleaner. Then remove paste around it with scraper. Reball baseband IC with medium temperature solder paste. If you want to learn BGA reballing skills, you can click the video showing on the top right we released before. Then remove reballing stencils. Apply solder flux and heat it to make the solder balls even better. Put new radio frequency board into heating station. Let's operate the same procedure on the baseband IC chip. Remove thermal paste with 330 degrees hot air gun. Heat with 370 degrees and remove baseband IC. Apply soldering flux. Remove paste on the soldering pad with 330 degrees hot air gun and electric soldering iron. Clean with PCB cleaner. Then remove remaining paste with scraper and hot air gun. Power on JC-Pro1000S programmer and put genuine radio frequency board in. Read out genuine board data. Put new radio frequency board in and burn genuine radio frequency board data into it. With this method, we don't have to transplant the baseband April IC, which is much more risky. After baseband IC chip data written, install genuine baseband IC on new radio frequency board. Then remove the residual solder paste on radio frequency board with desoldering wick. And repeat same procedure on upper board. Use low temperature solder paste and adjust humidity. Then reballing solder paste on the frame of radio frequency board with MIJING reballing station. After filling solder paste, remove stencil. Solder paste was filled accurately on every solder joints. Put radio frequency board on Sunshine T12A CPU desoldering heating station again. Heat at 180 degrees until all solder paste melted. Apply soldering flux on solder joints after radio frequency board cooling down. Put upper board on radio frequency board and align position. Heat with 180 degrees. When the temperature reaches to 180 degrees, adjust upper board slightly until it fits well. After motherboard cools down, take it out and install it back on iPhone. Power on. Now touch function works as normal and IMEI shows up too. Further activated, we found the Wi-Fi function cannot be turned on. Next, we try to unlock Wi-Fi with JCB box. Connect with computer, open JC Repair Assistant and enter DFU mode. Click purple screen, enter and click PCIe unlock Wi-Fi, then exit purple to power on. With their method, it's not necessary to transplant Wi-Fi module, which is also very time-consuming. Power on. Wi-Fi function is turned on now. Let's continue to activate the phone. Basic function works normally. Connect genuine ear speaker flex and insert SIM card. Cellular signal works. Face ID inroads works. Phone call works. Web page can be opened without any problems. All functions works well and motherboard repair completed. Even this iPhone X motherboard was badly damaged, but with master skill and great tool, you can repair it too. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to smash the like button and turn on the notification bell if you're enjoying the video. See you in the next one.